First, wish everyone Jai Maa Samay dears. Today, I will teach exercise 1.3 of class 10th from NCERT textbook. Dears, join. Getting notification. Yeah. Dear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Connected.
Yeah.
First, wish Jai Maa Samay everyone. Today, topic about dears. Today topic about how to prove irrational.
Today topic.
So, what your question? Join fast. Okay. Question: prove that under root 5 is irrational. Dear, how to prove irrational? First, tell me what is irrational, what is rational. So the means you can see here under root 5 is not perfect square, na? Under root 5 is not perfect square. That's why this is irrational. When rational, suppose that you write under root 4, then what come out? 2. This is perfect square, that's why this is known as rational. But under root 5, wait here. See, prove that under root 5 is irrational. So dear, under root 5. 5 under root 5 is not perfect square. So that's why this is irrational. But when write under root 4, then what come out? 2. That's why this is rational. If perfect square, that is known as rational. If not perfect square, that is irrational. Clear? So here irrational, that this means irrational law, you have to prove irrational. How to prove irrational? So there is only one manner. Suppose what you are seeing, marker, okay? Then suppose that this is the pencil. After some time, sir, saying wrong. This is not pencil. This is marker. Means if you suppose wrong thing, then your answer will be wrong. This is what irrational. How irrational? Because under 5 is not perfect square. That's why irrational. So what suppose? We suppose this is rational. Solution. What do we have? Let under root 5 be rational. You know now under root 5 is irrational. But what suppose? We suppose that this is rational. Under root 5 is irrational. But what we suppose? What we let? Rational. So any rational number, what simplest form? A upon B. And its simplest form A upon B. Therefore, dear, you know very well under root 5 is irrational. But what we suppose, what we let, suppose that this is rational, then its simplest form A upon B. Then therefore, write under root 5 equal to A upon B. Clear? Then how to remove under root? Squaring both sides. Clear? First suppose rational, then simplest form A upon B. Then therefore both thing right. Squaring both sides. Write statement on squaring both sides. Clear? Then under root 5 square, only 5. Here A square upon B square. Clear? Now this place divide and that place multiply. Then what next line can we write? 5B square equal to A square. Okay? Then next line, 5 is left B. What only take 5 and here B. 5 is a factor of A square. Then 5 is a factor of A. Means understand. Suppose that A square means, suppose that A places 10. 10 square. 10 square means 100. In 100 is divisible by 5 or not? How many times? 20. So suppose that this is your A now. So suppose 10 also divisible by 5 now. Clear? If A square is divisible by 5, factor means adjunct divisor. Then A is also 5 is also factor of A. Clear? If 5 is factor of A square, then it is also factor of A. Here I will give an example. A means 10 square, 10 square, 100. 100 is divisible by 5 or not? 20 times. That's why A means 10. Are you understanding? Here divisible or not divisible? Divisible means get remainder 0. Okay? Then if the remainder 0, then again A divided by 5. This is also divisible. Clear or not clear? Means this thing. A square divided by 5, then divisible, then A is also divisible by 5. Clear? Next, I suppose this is your equation first. Now let again statement. Till here any problem? First part suppose. Okay, one time complete solution, then after I will explain again. Let part here A, here 5. Let A is equal to 5C and putting in equation first. What is your first equation? 5B square equal to A square. Okay dear? Wait, this is your equation now. Suppose alphabet I have used A, B, then after what? C. So this is your equation. So 5B square equal to A plus is what number? 5C. Then 5C square plus square. Clear? Then 5B square equal to 5 5 ja 25. C into C, the C square na? What? Both side divided by 5. Both side divided by 5. Then what get here? B square is equal to 5C square. Understand? Then same condition here. What? 5 is coefficient of B, so that's why here what? 5 coefficient. C, the C left what take? B and 5. Here what taken? 5 and then Y. Here because coefficient of 5 is B. B left. Here coefficient of 5 is C, so that's why C left. Then same statement right. What is statement? 5 is a factor of B square. 5 is a factor of B square. Why not taken C? Because which is coefficient? Which is coefficient of 5 that will be we have to left. Then C 5 multiplied by C na C square, that's why C left. That's why taken B square and 5. Here also same thing na. B taken left, that's why we take 5 and A square. Again next statement. If 5 is a factor of B square, then 5 is factor of B. I've given here example na. A square, A places 10, then 100. 100 divided by 5. The same statement similarly. 5 is a factor of B. Clear? Okay. Here example understand. If 5 is added divisor of B square, then it is a added divisor of B also. I give example and understand. Here 10, 10 square 100, 100 is divisible by 5, then 10 is also divisible by 5. Clearly. Now note down statement. Clearly using different color. Yellow running. Okay. Clearly see 5 is factor of A also, 5 is factor of B also na. 5 is a yellow color looking clear. Looking clear yellow color. 5 is factor of both A and B. Only statement, but this contradiction fact that but this contradiction facts that A and B has no common factor other than 1. Means according to the rational number, every rational number has no common factor other than 1. But here what common factor? That's why this is wrong. That is what rule? You have to common only 1, but here what common? 5. That's why our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Thus, under root 5 yellow color Okay, again going to write. Then going to erase. And already I've asked you, Sony, yellow color looking, do you say? Okay. Which color? Take this color. Okay. Then here what? 5 is a common factor of both, na? A and B. A place is also written 5. B place is also written 5. Clearly, 5 is factor of both A and B. Okay. A and both A and B. Oh my god, erase everything. Okay, I'm going to solve again. A big mistake. Okay. The only last line written. Okay. First, under root 5 is irrational. Why? Because that is not perfect square. I'm going to solve again because all data erased. Under root 5 is irrational because this is not perfect square. Okay. See. Solution. Under root 5 is irrational. That's why what we will suppose. What we will suppose? We suppose this is rational. Let under root 5 is rational. Clear? Rational. And its simplest form, A upon B. Clear? Means this is irrational, but what suppose? Rational. Then therefore under root 5 equal to A upon B. Okay? And squaring both sides. And squaring both sides. And squaring both sides. Okay. Then what get? Here 5, here A square. Clear? Then after multiply. Then what write? 5b square equal to A square. This is your equation. First, what is the coefficient of 5? B square. That's I left. Only take 5 and A square. So what write? 5 5 5 5 What do you write? 5 is a factor of 5 is a 5 is a factor of 5 is a factor of a square. Note down. 5 is a factor of a square. 5 is a factor of a square. 5 is a factor of a square. Then 5 is a factor of a. Clear? I am giving example. Suppose that 100 a square divides 5. A place suppose 10. What right? 10. 10 square means 100. 100 divided by 5 what get? 20. Okay. Then here again 10 also divided by 5 or not? Means understanding example here. Means suppose that the b place is also 10. So what is it? If any power, suppose that 5 is a factor of c square, then 5 divides c. Yes, from your side. 15 right, 20 right. 5 divisible of that number. Right example. Factor means adject divisor now. Now what right? Let. Okay. Now what right? Let a is equal to 5c. Clear? Let a is equal to 5c and putting in equation. Here solve. This is the first now. Then note down whatever first equation. 5b square is equal to a square. Clear? Then 5b square a plus s. A is equal to 5c square plus square. Then 5b square is equal to 5 5 ja 25c square. Both side divided by 5. Both side divided by 5. So then what? Here only b square. Here 25 divided by 5 only 5. Then same thing. What is the coefficient of 5? C square. That side left only take b and 5. Then what right? 5. Yeah. Just like in previous question. Here 5 coefficient b square. B left only 5 and 8 taken. So here what take? 5 and b. 5 is a factor of b square. Then here also write then 5 is a factor of b. Clear? Here same statement we are writing now. Okay. What right? Clearly. Clearly 5 is a factor of a and b, but this contradiction fact that A and B has no common factor other than 1. Clear? But this contradiction fact that A and B has no common factor other than 1. But here what common factor? 5. That's why our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Suppose that what we suppose? Rational number na? The rational number wrong, then what right? Irrational number. Clear statement. What we suppose? Rational. Only two things. या तो rational या तो irrational. So suppose that rational is wrong, then what correct? Irrational. That's why this is your irrational. Thus, under root 5 is irrational. Clear? Now any confusion? What suppose? Suppose let rational, let under root 5 is equal to rational. Then we suppose then simplest of A upon B, squaring both sides, make equation. Here B left only what take 5 and A square. Same statement right. Again here 5 and A is equal to 5C. Similarly solve. Means this value put in equation first, then after here solve dividing both side by 5. Then again here C left only what take 5 and B, then only log statement. See, A is a factor of 5 is factor of A and B also. That's why this is what rule. According to the rational number, only common factor what? 1. But here what common factor? That's why our assumption is wrong. That's why the under root 5 is irrational. Clear here? Take pause and note down. Next, take pause, note down. Next, what is your question? Prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Here by mistake irrational spelling written wrong. IRRATIONAL. In first question also irrational spelling written wrong. Prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. There by mistake RI written 2 times. Okay. In previous question also then this irrational spelling. This is the correct irrational spelling. Solution. Let that's this is your irrational now. First suppose this is rational. Why this is irrational? This is not perfect square na. Any under root number which is not perfect square, that is irrational. So suppose let 3 plus 2 under root 5 Okay, is rational, and then its simplest form. Then its simplest form a upon b. Clear? First suppose rational, then simplest form a upon b. Therefore 3 plus 2 under root 5 equal to a upon b. Now dear, this is plus, send this is left side. If side change, then sign change. So 3 positive, then this will be negative. What, right? 2 under root 5 equal to a upon b plus then, okay, under root 5. Here multiply now, then this side come, then divide. The 2 reciprocal, direct write 1 upon 2 or write this thing in bracket. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Then here we know that yes minus sign na, difference of rational. This is your rational. Let again, let this side 1 upon a 1 upon 2 bracket a upon b minus 3 b rational. Here very easy solution. I am repeating again. First where it is under root 5. Wait, I am writing now. First suppose rational, then simplest form a upon b, then transposing numerator plus then minus, plus then minus, multiply then divide. Okay, so right side suppose rational. What suppose rational? Let only right side write. Rational. Let 1 upon 2 bracket a upon b minus 3 be rational. Then what left side? If this side rational, then that side also rational. No? If right side rational, then left side also rational. Then under root 5 will be rational. Clear? But this contradiction fact that under root 5 is Tony irrational or rational? Under root 5 irrational, right? Under root 5 is under root 5 is clear. Here what we retain? Rational. Here what we retain? Here rational written, here irrational. That's why this is wrong now. Therefore this contradiction arises by assuming that left this statement, very start statement you write assumption means imagination. Okay, our assumption is wrong. If you wrong, then what? Rational is wrong, so then what correct? Irrational. Thus 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Clear? What understand? First suppose, repeating again. First suppose rational, then simplest form a upon b, then write both thing, plus then minus, here multiply then divide, 2 reciprocal 1 upon 2 na. Then suppose right side rational, then left side also rational, but this is not rational na, this is irrational. That's why our assumption is wrong. That's why what correct? Irrational. Clear? Take pause, note down. Dears, share in your group every day every day at 4 p.m. we will take class for class 10 from NCERT textbook. Next, this statement learn. Okay, prove that the following are irrational. Dear, in this question, 3 questions. That's why here mention only first question. First, dear, write solution. Solution. First, write we have. Okay, note down this thing. 1 upon under root 2. Rationalize it. Rationalize it. The rationalization you know very well. How to rationalization? That means what denominator under 2? The numerator and denominator both multiply by under root 2. Multiply under root 2. You know very well, dear. 1. Suppose that any number multiplied by the number itself, but we write 1 upon 2 under root 2. Clear? Means multiply 2 under root 2 by 1, so the under root 2 upon 2. So then you can write now under root 2 upon 2 in this way, 1 upon 2 under root 2. Both are same thing. Clear? Now let this is rational. Let 1 upon 2 under root 2 be rational. You know very well this is irrational. We are in question given that this is irrational. Let rational, then write and its simplest form. Simplest form. What simplest form, dear? A upon b. Any rational number simplest form a upon b. Then therefore 1 upon 2 under root 2 equal to a upon b. Clear? Simple. Multiply 1 upon 2 right side, left side, then change into right side. Multiply under root 2 is equal to 2 upon 1 into a upon b. What answer? Reciprocal send. Denominator plus numerator plus denominator. 2 multiply a, then 2a. Any number multiply by 1 number itself. That's why b. Clear? Here under root 2. Now same statement. Suppose right side your rational, then left side also rational, but according to this is irrational. Our assumption same statement previous question. Let 2a upon b be rational. Okay, then under root 2 will be rational. Clear? If this side rational, then that side also rational. Means your right side rational, then left side will be also rational. But this is rational, but this is irrational. How this is irrational? This is not perfect square. Dear one, more time understand what is rational, what is irrational. 5. This is not perfect square. That's why this is irrational. But when write 4, this is rational. Under root 16, rational. But when write under root 10, this is irrational. How? 10 prime factor. Here not perfect square because not making pair. Okay, dear? I in 16 come. First I am going to erase. How 16 perfect square? 16 prime factor. 4. Then dear pair. Clear? 2, 2 is 4. If make pair, you can make pair, not remaining anything. Then that is your rational. This is rational. But in 10, not you can't. That is not pair of equal prime factor. That's why that is irrational. 10, 2, 5. Here you can make pair. No, because odd pair. That's why this is irrational. This is rational. Rational, irrational. Understand? Which is perfect square? That is your rational. Which is not perfect square? That is your irrational.
Actually, rational computation.
Yeah. Every question irrational given. For suppose rational. Then solve the last places what type? Rational, then that side also rational. Then what right? But this contradiction fact that what dear? Under root here 2 given now. Under root 2 is irrational. Tell me, Sony, tell me here rational, that side, this side, here suppose right side rational, then left side also rational. But according to the rule, this is irrational. That's why our assumption is wrong. Assumption means imagination. Our assumption is wrong. Okay. Thus 1 upon whatever question number 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Same statement as question second now. One more time repeating. If solution rationalization, then rationalize, then after suppose rational, then simplest from A upon B, solve equation. Your suppose right side rational, then left side also rational. But according to the rule, this is rational. No, this is irrational. That's why our assumption is wrong. What right? Irrational. Okay. Take pause, note down. Next question. See, this is easy, very easy for you. Now same statement. Solution. Dears, take pause, note down, First understand previous question, then after come on next question. Means one by one. If first question understand, then solve question second question. Then after just like that you will solve question. Third question is third second. What? Let 7 under root 5 be rational. Clear dear? Then what? Then its simplest form. Simplest form. Rational number, then simplest form. A upon B. Okay? Then dear, therefore 7 under root 5 equal to A upon B. Here multiply, divide. Then what right? 7 we only write. 7 reciprocal you can write 1 upon 7. 7 reciprocal 1 upon 7 into A upon B. Multiply. So 1 multiply by A, then A, or 7 multiply B. Clear? Same statement. Let A upon 7 be rational, then under root 5 will be rational. Clear? But this contradiction facts that under what under root 5 under root 5 is irrational. Clear? Therefore our assumption is wrong. Okay, thus what your question? 7 under root 5 is how many type of statement? Only two type of statement. For first question one statement, and remaining all question only this type of statement. Listen dear, you know very well in question 1, suppose that in under root place single under root 3, 11, any prime number 5, 7, not perfect is here. Suppose that 8, okay, but we have to write take prime number. Okay, what next prime number? 13. This type of all question we have to use first question statement. Clear? And then remaining any another type of question, then we have to use only this type of statement. Now clear? Clear? That means yeah, under root 3 written, under root 11 written, under root 5 written, under root 7, any prime number. Then use question first statement, learn question first statement, then remaining all question, this type of question, mention plus sign, minus sign, I will solve. Then you have to use that type of question. This same statement in question second also, na?
Yes, sir.
In previous question also. Okay. Next, see, I think You have understood. Here you have to use second question statement, not first question statement. First question statement you have to use for only under root 7, under root 11, under root 13, under root 19, just like that. Here only two type of statement. Both statement you have to learn. Here what you write? Solution. Solution. Let 6 plus under root 2 be rational. Okay, then its simplest form. What simplest form? A upon B. Statement law, because I have used many times. Rational, every rational number simplest form. A upon B, or you can write P upon Q. Any statement you write, nothing matters. Then therefore what write? 6 plus under root 2 is equal to A upon B. You know where this statement? Here plus, then this side same, minus, complete. A statement used. This is rational, then that is this side rational, then this is also rational, but this is not rational. That's why our assumption is wrong. That's why this is your irrational. Clear? First note down here. Suppose right side rational, then left side also rational, but this is wrong. That's why that is irrational. Note down. What number here? Nothing. Let what your right side here? A minus B, A upon B minus 6. B, right in bracket, rational. Okay, then what this side? Under root 2 will be rational. Okay, dear? But this contradiction facts that what this is your rational number. Why? Because this is not perfect square. Under root 2 is irrational. Okay, dear? Yeah, because you're not under root form given, radical power, then not third given, not under root given, then that is your rational. Okay, but under root given, that is like suppose that 1 upon 2 under root 5, this is your irrational, but fraction given, that is your rational. Okay, then dear, this thing therefore wrong, now our assumption is wrong. Clear? Hence, yeah, thus 6 plus 6 plus under root 2 is irrational. Okay, statement keep in mind. Solve, your right side will be rational, but then left side will be rational. If suppose that equal to means, suppose that here 5, that side also 5. If left side equal to means, if left side 10, then right side also 10. Equal to means what? Both sides same number, na. Suppose that equal left side 20, the right side also 20, na. Equal to this thing represent, then here suppose that this side rational, then this side also rational. Suppose that here left side A, the right side also A. B then B, C then C. Suppose that I'm saying this is rational, this is also rational. But according to the rule, this is not rational, na. Now clear? Now confusion? Let me, from your side you are supposing, na, not in question given na, this is rational or this is irrational. Let this right side rational, then left side rational, but this is rational. That's why I am writing here na wrong. Okay. Next, third question. Okay dear, in your exercise 1.3 only 3 question given. First question, second question, in third question 3 question, but from my side I have added more question. Means in board exam you will appear only which type of question. See, in board exam you will appear only this type of question, not a single question more. See dear, share in your group, yeah, post on your WhatsApp that every day at 4 p.m. I will take class for class 10 from NCERT test book. Dear, I am sure if you will continuous join class, you will crack your board in maths. Next, means whatever you understand, only board exam, this type of question you will face, not a single question more. या तो अंडर रूट 2 गिवन, या तो that means in this form given 1 upon under root 2, या this form given, या mention plus sign, या mention minus sign, या तो number here given. Clear? या तो only fraction, only 7, only that type of question. All here only means only this question, different statement na.
Yes.
Only here 2 type of statement you have to use. First, the means exercise 1.3 first question, by which statement I have solved, you have to use this that type of statement. Digit may be changed. Digit means number change na. Suppose that I have written here 2, the in board exam written 5, but the statement same na, same statement. Means your question always in this form, not a single question formed by exception this matter. Okay dear, all places same statement. You can use statement first solve.
So
First is second to up to 7, second type of statement. Then how to solve, I am explaining here. I have already this type of question explained. This type also only plus then minus, but here this type of, this is your different for you. I am going to solve because I have solved this type of question. This is also only this thing, this is different for you. Minus, then first solution which is different for you, I will write that thing. Okay dear, let 6 minus under root 2 be rational. Clear? Then simplest form. What simplest form? A upon B. Therefore, note down. Dear, then note down 6 minus under root 2 is equal to A upon B. Clear now? Then plus then. But dear, here minus under root 2 na? Right, minus under root 2 is equal to Okay, here only something change. What sign here? Minus. Then only change here order. This will be converted into positive. Yeah, one other multiply both side by minus 1. Then what right? Here minus now. How to remove? Change only order. Right means B. Sorry. 6 minus A upon B. Complete. What understand? Here minus sign, that's I change. In previous question I have changed. No, no, because that place plus sign. Here minus sign, that's why we change only order. Under root 2 place under root 2 means 6 first, A upon B later. Okay. Clear? Then same statement, let rational, then this is also rational. But this is irrational. Okay, writing statement.
6 minus 8 irrational.
Let 6 minus A upon B be rational. Okay. Then under root 2 will be rational. Clear? But this contradiction fact that under root 2 is Sunny irrational. Therefore our assumption wrong. Hence, yeah, thus, what your question? 6 minus under root 2 is clear. Understand? Only what change? Due to sign only change, no? What? 6 plus then minus. Here what sign? Minus then minus, right now? Okay. Next. Come on, question. This places. Okay, this thing also different for you, no? Okay, I have solved that type of question. First plus then I have multiplied 3 the reciprocal 1 upon 3. Already solved that type of question. Here only sign, na? That questions are mentioned and only this is different for you. Okay. I am going to erase. Take pause, note down. Which question? 6 now? Okay. I will start solution from here. Okay, going to solve question 6. But erasing that. Okay, na? Then what right? Solution. Let 6 minus 5 under root 2 be rational. Then simplest form. Dear, any rational number simplest form A upon B. Then simplest form A upon B. Clear? Therefore, what next line? 6 minus 5 under root 2 is equal to A upon B. Then D2 minus here, change order. 5 under root 2 is equal to 6 minus A upon B. Multiply then, divide. Means 5 reciprocal 1 upon 5. A bracket 6 minus A upon B. Clear? One more time understand. 6 plus then minus, here minus 5 under root 2 given na. Then after due to minus change only order 5 reciprocal 1 upon 5. Same statement you have to write. Okay, what is statement? First is who joined live classes. First is Maa Samay. Dear, wish Maa Samay everyone. I am repeating again. Share in your group. Every day 4 p.m. I will attend class for 10th from NCERT textbook. I will explain NCERT question also. Which question can rises? Yeah, which question form in board exam? I will explain that question also. Then last line. Let this thing write 1 upon 5 6 minus a upon b be rational, then under root 2 will be rational, but this contradiction fact that under root 2, suppose that here under root 2 to write under root 2, here under root 7, then under root 7 write is irrational. Thus, what your question? 6 minus 5 under root 2 is understand or not understand? Same manner, what you have to do? First, suppose rational, then simplest form a upon b. Only here solution change. Transposing if you know, so then you can solve all question. Then plus, then minus. Here minus, if plus given, not then write not transpose, but here what given? Minus sign. That's I mention minus sign. Because if suppose that plus written, so only what you write? 5 under root 2 right now. But here minus, that's a minus written. Due to minus what? Change order. Change order means first term will be second term will be first term. Then 5 multiply, then side change, divide. So you write 1 upon 5, yeah, fraction right. Then left side rational, then right side will be rational, but this is irrational. Okay, dear. Only last question. Take pause, note down. I'm not erasing statement. Only last question, dear. What solution? Let 6 minus 3 upon 4 under root 2 be rational, then let question note down, be rational, then its simplest form A upon B. Till here clear? Jai Maa Samay dears, I am wishing from my side. Then here, therefore 6 minus 3 upon 4 under root 2. Okay, first 6 plus then minus A upon B. 6 plus then minus. Okay, due to minus then order change. 6. Okay, here two things now. This you divide then change multiply means that right reciprocal. 5 reciprocal 1 upon 4 1 upon 5. So then here what reciprocal? Reciprocal 4 upon 3 now. 5 reciprocal 1 upon 5. What reciprocal of 3 upon 4? Good. Then write under root 4 upon 3. Okay. Then statement right. 4 upon 3. Clear? Then what right? Will be rational. Then then your question number note down. What your question? Six minus 3 upon 4 under root 2. Understood or not understood? Only how many type of statement you have to use? Two type of statement use, but only this middle question factorization. Factorization you know very well, like transposing. Left side, right side, right side, left side. Means when we transpose left to right or right to left, then sign change. You know very well, na? Plus then minus, minus then plus, multiply then divide, divide then multiply. Okay, dear. I hope you have understood, dear. Practice many times, because if this type of question 100% every year, if you see model paper, this type of question, any one question given in your board exam, this question get 4 or 5 marks every year. This type of question give. Clear? Or only you have to practice. Not a single question, more type of question can be formed related this topic. Only digit may be changed. Why? Suppose that here 2 written, that place is not written, 5 written, 7 written, 11, but format not change now. Okay, dear? I hope you have understood. Jai Maa Samay dears.